Greetings. Today we're going to build the Home Accents Holiday 6-foot Dreadful Dreams animated LED indoor-outdoor covered alien from Home Depot. Well, let's get started.
Can I do my intro now?
Sure.
Greetings, Earthlings. That's the alien man that we're gonna put together. See, he forgot to say Earthlings. You get it? Because he's an alien.
I offered you to do the introductions and
now, here we go. Oh no. This has got to be easy to put together, right? Oh,
according to the box, it's
never
a 15-minute build.
Alright, I gotta go do something, so I'm leaving him to do
He has feet.
He has some ugly feet.
What feet?
Somebody needs a manicure. Pedicure, rather.
Hold on. I have an itch on my butt. Okay.
Great.
Must be his stand. Got a stand. It's actually a.
He's got hands.
Yeah. Get him out of the box.
No, that's all together. Yeah.
Oh, it's one.
Yeah. Where's his instructions?
All right, here's the instructions. Looks like we've got a whole bunch of pictures and drawings and graphs, and not a whole lot more. So let's follow them. You ready? This is not the best directions in the world. I can't even find step one. Oh, step one. We're gonna build the base. All right, step one is the base. Here you go. Okay, step 5 is the hips.
Yes.
See, we have to look like we know what we're doing.
And that's questionable.
Notice that the hole matches where your peg is.
Oh.
Okay.
Step 7. Okay.
Step 6, part D. All right, step 7. We're gonna pick them up and apparently rest them on top of that spine right there. Up. So these all Velcro together. These are bendy poles, so you can just kind of bend them how you want them. I don't know how they're supposed to be, but just like that.
It looks like that.
I don't think we should mess with the shoulders because I think the shoulders may be animated.
Are they? Well, you might be right. I'm not really sure.
All right, next up is the head. We have to
Anthony's got a big one.
attach, hold the head. Big point. Okay, hold on. Put them on there. Go ahead. It's like, okay.
Got it.
All right, there he is. He is pretty cheap, honestly. He's pretty pathetically constructed, but he don't look half decent. And at nighttime, he might look better. Okay, there he is. He's really unstable, so we're gonna tie him down with some real deep tent spikes you can get from Home Depot. Okay, I'm gonna use Everbuilt yard stakes. They come in a pack of 8, and they're only like $5 at Home Depot. They're just the right size, and the hooks actually expand and bend around the pipe. Okay, so there's yard stake number 1, and there's yard stake number 2. Really secure, and he's not going anywhere. Now we can put some batteries in, turn them on, and see what he does. Okay, we're gonna turn them on. I have to Velcro him out. I take it back, I love him. That's Donald J. Trump. Okay, so we're gonna pay the alien a visit at nighttime. Hello, Mr. Alien. Boo.
But do not panic. Panic will serve no purpose. Resistance is futile.
He's pretty cool, and he's loud enough to not be obnoxious, but to hear him. His lights are very, very bright. During the day, they didn't look so bright. At nighttime, they're very bright. He's pretty cool. I wish his arms moved up and down or something, especially because he's pretty expensive. I kind of like him.